Hi, I'm Parisascot. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Today we are talking about davidaustin roses. Now, the first thing you've got to do when you get your bare root roses is actually soak them in water for at least 2 hours. So this one that we're actually planting today is called Gertrudejekyll. The things you need is a plant pot round about 45 centimeters by 45 centimeters, and as long as it's taller than, when you look at the roots, make sure you get one that's quite deep, so around about this tall, as you can see from me. And then you also need some either polystyrene at the bottom, or broken either crockery or something. It's just to give it drainage, stones, things like that. It's just to give it drainage. And then some fungi. I'll put the link down in the description to see exactly what you need. And then you also need some polystyrene, or maybe some like little bits of stones, bits of crockery, that sort of thing, but broken. It's just to give it the drainage, that's all. And then you need either a scoop for your compost. Then you also need the johninnes number 3, and that's, you need a 50-50 mix with also some good quality compost. Then you mix all that together, and so I've already mixed it, that's just here already. That was just to save some time. So firstly, I'm just going to put the drainage at the bottom. So I'm just going to break this bit of polystyrene up, just so then it's got some drainage. Ooh. Here we go. And it's around about, that's pretty much all it needs, just in sort of a few places. And then we need to then put in the compost. Now this is going to take a little while. Right then, so as you can see, we're nicely emptying this, and we've got it sort of round about sort of halfway. And so if you put the rose in, now what we need to do is make sure that the union, which is this part here, that's covered. So if I just keep filling it around it here, like that. And then what we also need to do is we need to put some of this fungi around it. So we need to put it on the roots, and then we also need it to go in the compost as well. So if I just sprinkle it around, so we want it on the roots, and we also want it in the compost. So there we go. And then we'll just keep filling it up to the top, just so that union is covered, like that. So as you can see, I've now got it nicely in the pot, and I've also, as you can see, I've left the label on, because then otherwise you remember at the time, you think, oh, that's which of a rose it is, and then later on you can't remember. So it's always a good idea to leave the label on. And as you can see, there's enough room here just to, get lots of water in there. So as you can see, it's not here. I haven't put the soil right to the top. I've actually left it so it's, it's a nice distance down there. So the only thing I've got to do now is give it a really good water, and then by May, June, I should have some beautiful davidaustinroses from here. Thank you for watching. I'm Parisascot. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.